Yeah, we actually have one day to prepare for the semi-finals. Of course, here and there you get injuries because like the games have been coming too fast because of the way the league is ending. Towards the end, the games tend to come very fast. So, but in the season you prepare for all that. Of course, we have had a lot of injuries, mainly at the back, in the defense, but we are trying to deal with that.
We are so excited about the game that is going to be on Saturday. We prepared for it, and we are ready to play semi-finals. We are moving to Masindi this morning, and we know that Kitara is doing very well in the Premier League. But we are also very unique in the way we play, so we are very confident that we are going to get results from Masindi, and we are going to have a very good venture in that game.
As players, we are not scared. As we know, we have a dream to achieve. As players, we want to face CAF Champions League come next season to represent Uganda. We are not scared of any team, whether you are playing Super League, whether you are playing Big League, we are not scared because we shall be 11-11 aside. So there is nothing that will be more in the pitch. Whether it's away or home, perhaps we are confident.